every 4.32 billion years. Everything you know, every star, every planet, every memory, gets completely erased and starts over. And according to Hindu cosmology, we're currently living in the age of destruction. While Western science talks about the Big Bang as a one-time event, ancient Hindu texts describe something far more terrifying and beautiful, an endless cycle where universes are born, flourish, decay, and die, only to begin again. Today, we're diving deep into the Hindu concept of cosmic time, where infinity isn't just a number, it's the fundamental nature of existence itself. And what you'll discover might completely change how you see your place in the cosmos. To understand Hindu time cycles, we need to think beyond human lifespans, beyond even the age of our solar system. Hindu cosmology operates on 4 massive timescales, each more mind-bending than the last. The Hindu conception of time is cyclical, not linear. Unlike the Western notion of a beginning and end, Hindu time moves in great wheels within wheels, cycles within cycles. It all begins with the Yugas, 4 cosmic ages that humanity cycles through repeatedly. First comes Satya Yuga, the Golden Age, lasting 1.7 million years. Imagine a time when humans lived for 100,000 years, possessed supernatural abilities, and existed in perfect harmony with nature. Truth and righteousness ruled everything. But perfection doesn't last forever. Next comes Treta Yuga, spanning 1.3 million years. Humans begin to lose their divine connection. Lifespans drop to 10,000 years. This is when the great epics like the Ramayana unfold, stories of heroes fighting to maintain Dharma as the world slowly darkens. Then Dwapara Yuga arrives, 864,000 years where humanity splits further from the divine. Lifespans shrink to 1,000 years. The Mahabharata war occurs during this age, marking the final battle between good and evil before the Great Decline. And finally, Kali Yuga, our current age, the Age of Darkness. Lasting 432,000 years, we're now just 5,000 years into this cosmic nightmare. Human lifespans have collapsed to barely 100 years. Truth becomes rare, violence increases, and spiritual knowledge nearly disappears. But here's where it gets truly staggering. These 4 yugas, they're just one small cycle called a Mahayuga. And according to Hindu texts, 1,000 Mahayugas equal just one day of Brahma, 4.32 billion years. Then, Brahma sleeps for another 4.32 billion years, during which the entire universe dissolves into nothingness. What's remarkable is how closely these numbers align with modern cosmology. The age of the universe is about 13.8 billion years, and Hindu texts speak of cycles lasting billions of years. This wasn't random mythology. But even a full day and night of Brahma, 8.64 billion years, is nothing compared to what comes next. After 360 such days and nights, Brahma himself dies, and everything, every atom, every possibility, every memory of existence, completely vanishes for another 311 trillion years. Modern physicists are starting to discover that the Hindu sages might have been onto something profound. The concept of cosmic cycles appears in cutting-edge theories about the universe's fate. Cyclic models of the universe suggest that what we call the Big Bang might just be the most recent in an infinite series of cosmic rebirths. The universe expands, contracts, and bounces back eternally. How did ancient Hindu sages arrive at these cosmic numbers without telescopes or modern mathematics? They developed concepts of infinity, zero, and astronomical calculations that wouldn't be matched in the West for over 1,000 years. The Surya Siddhanta, written around 400 CE, calculated the Earth's circumference with 99.8% accuracy. It described the speed of light, the concept of gravity, and cosmic distances that modern science has only recently confirmed. But Hindu cosmology suggests these weren't just mathematical exercises. They were maps of consciousness itself. Each cosmic cycle represents different states of awareness, different ways reality can unfold. Here's the mind-bending revelation that changes everything. According to Hindu texts, we're not just observers of these cosmic cycles. We're active participants, creating them through our collective consciousness. The ancient texts suggest that time itself is a construction of consciousness. The cosmic cycles aren't happening to us, they're happening through us. Quantum physics has discovered something eerily similar, the observer effect, where consciousness appears to influence physical reality. Could the Hindu sages have understood something about the relationship between mind and cosmos that we're only now rediscovering? But here's the ultimate twist. Even these vast cosmic cycles might themselves be nested within even larger cycles. The texts speak of Mahakalpas, periods so vast that our current 311 trillion year cycle is just one breath of an even greater cosmic being. So what does this mean for us, living in this tiny moment of Kali Yuga? Hindu cosmology offers a radically different perspective on existence. One where death isn't an ending, but a transformation. Where time isn't linear, but spiral. Where consciousness isn't separate from cosmos, but fundamentally creating it. The Hindu time cycles teach us that we're part of something magnificent and eternal. Every action, every choice, every moment of awareness contributes to the cosmic dance that will eventually birth new worlds. Whether you see these as literal cosmic truths or profound metaphors for the cycles within our own lives, the Hindu conception of time offers something our modern world desperately needs: perspective. In a universe where everything repeats and nothing is ever truly lost, every moment becomes both infinitely small and cosmically significant. The darkness of Kali Yuga isn't permanent. After 427,000 more years, the Golden Age will return. And in the grand sweep of cosmic time, we're all eternal travelers, experiencing every possible reality across Infi.